Mandaluyong Junior Micro Smith 18 under, Coach Jay Cruz, Assistant Coach Henner Lahoy. Now introducing
Getting interesting and exciting mga kaliga. Sabi nga ni Coach Jay ng Mandaluyong, they will still trust and apply their run and gun system in their 18 under division. Lalo na at kulang ulit sila sa players. Wala sina Palad, Kaitos, Chidoro at Awa na may kanya-kanyang prior commitments. After 8 games here in this league, Coach Jay of Mandaluyong confidently said that he's very proud of the development of his 18 under division. He saw the growth and improvement of one of his players, Josh Orbania, na nakuha raw ng Letran Team B dahil dito sa Junior MPBL. Para naman kay Russell Bayani, after getting that second spot on the MVP race, ni Head Coach Jay Cruz of Mandaluyong. So Coach, dikit ang ating score sa pagpasok ng ating second half. So ano masasabi mo sa nagiging performance ng koponan mo?
Well, masaya ako sa performance ng team ko kasi Pampanga is also a good team eh. 'Di ba? Medyo undefeated din 'yan. I think one loss lang sila. So, iniraran ng mga Mandaluyong, masaya ako. Yun lang masasabi ko.
That's good to know, Coach, and good luck po for the game. Meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan o batian?
Yeah, of course. Gusto kong pasalamatan yung mga sponsors namin, si Colonel Neil Estrella, si May Cruz, of course, yung 3MD Logistics, at saka itong Zion Motors. Binabati ko pala si Coach Mark.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck po for the game. Before anything else, mga kaligaw, we would like to thank our partner, Apex Gaming 88, for bringing the sheer fun here in the Junior MPBL.